My name is Nagakura. So I'm at MIT. What I'm showing today are two models from Machu Picchu capturing. So on the floor, there is this large model. And Machu Picchu is, of course, in Peru. It's situated about 2,700 meters above the sea level. Go to Cusco first, usually from US, and then you take a train for about 3-4 hours. Train is actually running at the bottom of this river area here. So the river is going on like this. And then you take a bus to go up to Machu Picchu. So you see this zigzag road here. So I'm drawing on it. This is the bus ride. And it takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You may actually see this thin line going up the mountain, going all the way like this. This is so-called Inca Trail. So Inca people lived on this side of the South America, and they traveled from probably like Mexico down to Chile. And Peru is in the middle. And then the path was made for Inca people to move around at high ground. So I'm making the model bigger. So if you're around, you can start to get the sense of the size of the enormity of this thing, right? And if you are on the same side as I am right now, you see the riverbed, and then you see Machu Picchu on top of the mountain. I'll make the model smaller. So I'm going to teleport in there. And then I just learned from Russell how to take everybody there. So I will gather everybody around me, showing you a few things we prepared. So I'm getting closer to this little photograph, which we placed in there. And you can get close to look at the photograph. So this photograph is a photograph made by the expedition team of Yale University, led by a guy named Hiram Bingham. Bingham was supposed to be the discoverer of Machu Picchu from the Western world. And I have 3 or 4 photographs geolocated in this environment. So the size of this from here to here is about 8 meters. That's 7.53. I hope in the future we can do this with like 200 people in a lecture style. And I think it will really revolutionize the way people teach design. People teach locations, archaeology, history. I think it's going to become really, really an exciting change in our society.